Constellation Energy could stand to benefit following reports that New York State plans to build one of the first new U.S. nuclear power plants in over a generation. According to reports, New York Governor Kathy Hochul has directed the New York Power Authority to add at least 1 gigawatt of new nuclear power generation. The authority is tasked with identifying a suitable site in upstate New York and determining the reactor design, which could involve either one large reactor or multiple smaller ones. This initiative marks a significant shift in U.S. nuclear development, as only 5 new commercial reactors have come online since 1991. Governor Hochul emphasized the importance of increasing energy supply, stating that failing to do so could lead to rolling blackouts and other disruptions. She noted that the project could progress faster due to President Donald Trump's recent executive orders aimed at accelerating nuclear power development by overhauling regulations and streamlining permitting processes. Constellation Energy, which owns or holds majority stakes in New York's 3 currently operating nuclear plants, is well positioned to benefit from this development, as these plants are among the potential sites being considered for the new plant. The company produces and sells electricity, natural gas, and clean energy across multiple U.S. regions. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.